Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Figma in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Figma. If you just scroll down over here, we'll be having the downloads link. Click it and it will directly take us to figma.com/downloads. If you just scroll over here, we are having Figma for these many OS as well as the mobile app. Our focus is on Windows, so just click here and the setup file will be getting started. It is about 134 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the setup is completed, just open it and we'll be getting this Figma interface. So here we are having two options to sign in. First is to log in with an existing account. If you don't have, you can just click on create one and this will redirect you to the browser and you must create an account over here. If you already have an account, just click on login with browser. So after you log in, you will be directly taken into your Figma app and you can start designing or seeing your existing designs. And of course we'll be having the Figma app. You can just create a shortcut or pin it to taskbar. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.